lover, built tough, designed to dominate, precision, strength, performance, construction, earthworks no limits. So how do you feel after seeing all of this? Excited? Inspired? Which machine do you see taking on your next project? Think about the possibilities, the jobs you could complete, the work you could make easier, the projects you could finish faster. Every machine has its strength, every project has its challenge. The question is, are you ready to take it on?
Visit our website, typhonmachinery.com. Contact us for more information.